Thank you very much, John. Good afternoon. And if you didn't already know, yes, May was just about the coldest this century, only beaten by 1979. But it's all changed this week. At the moment, temperatures are just about normal for the time of year, but it gets warmer and warmer as the week goes on. And by the end of the week, we almost might be having a, well, little mini heat wave with temperatures as high as about 28 degrees. That's over 80 degrees Fahrenheit in many parts, especially in the east. But not so at the moment. In fact, if anything, we're waiting for these weather fronts to keep the rather changeable weather going. There's quite a bit of cloud across the country at the moment, some of it actually giving showers, more particularly in western areas. Some have now crept across to northeast England, for instance, but many eastern areas at the moment are dry and bright, the sunshine rather hazy, but there will be showers scattered around almost anywhere this afternoon, one or two heavy ones, a little bit of thunder too. The showers tend to get lighter and more scattered in western parts later on, temperatures about normal. Tonight, fine and dry once those showers have gone for most places, but later on across Northern Ireland and western Scotland, it will turn wet and windy as that next weather system comes in. Perhaps those temperatures just low enough, believe it or not, for a touch of ground frost in some eastern parts of England. Otherwise, no great problems. And then that weather system comes rushing in tomorrow, masses of isobars, so windy in northern and western areas, rain right from the word go in Northern Ireland and western Scotland, pushing into many other northern and western parts during the course of the day. But I think central and eastern areas of England will stay fine and dry. If there is any rain at all, it'll just be a few spots late on in the day. The temperatures tomorrow a little bit higher in the east as a result of that, near normal again in the west in the wind and the rain. We'll keep a run of southwesterly winds into Tuesday. Those winds perhaps bringing some showery bursts of rain to some northwestern areas, but with high pressure nearby we will see somewhat warmer weather and generally dry conditions with sunshine in most parts of the country. Little weather system still messing around close to northwestern parts into the middle of the week, so those areas continue fairly windy, a little bit of rain from time to time, but much of the country slowly warming up, staying dry, fair bit of sunshine, sea breezes around some of the coast, and that little weather system too fizzling out as time goes on. So for the latter part of the week, as we find the winds increasingly coming in from the south or the southeast, we will find those temperatures rising as we saw at the beginning. 27, 28 degrees in many parts of England. Cooling breezes again around the coast, and I think those high temperatures will be sufficient to set off some thunderstorms during the late afternoon and evening. Again, the far northwest staying somewhat cooler with a little bit of rain, and some of the coast also cooler as mist rolls in on the southeast winds.